All right, a very good morning, everyone. Children, first of all, I want to tell you that I'm very, very happy, children, that you people are practicing English language. You all are coming up with your problems, sending me the questions, wanting me to correct your answers. You people are clarifying your doubts, your concepts about English, about the grammar portion. Children, I'm very, very impressed and happy. Children, keep your spirits high like this. Do practice your sheets, practice from your workbooks, jot it down. Any problems, any doubts, I am there to clarify or solve. Okay, you can call me also anytime you wish to. You can text me, because children, I don't know you personally. Okay, so I want you all, because I don't know you personally, children, due to this lockdown I haven't seen or met you all, so I don't know the mental level you people possess. All right, so children, that is why with you all I am starting and beginning everything from the start, from the scratch. Okay, everything is fresh, right? So that is why, children, I am motivating you all to practice English. Children, it is very, very simple. Just give your 10 minutes and you are sorted with English. Okay, children, today my idea is to discuss with you all as in how to give your answers when you get your question papers, because children, ultimately marks is what is of prime importance. So how you should deal with your English paper when you are getting the paper, how you should make your mindset, what is the criteria of writing, how much time you should give. Okay, so children, this video is all about that how much time you people want to give. Okay, so this is all about that. This video is all about that so that whatever problems you have, whatever doubts you have, I'll clarify all your doubts, so that your basic question paper, your answers are very clear. Okay, all your concepts are very clear. Okay, children, so children, let me begin with this. When you get the section A reading, develop reading and comprehension skills. Okay, children, I am again and again telling you, start being vocal. Vocal means इंग्लिश में बात करो, इंग्लिश में बोलो. फ्रेंड्स, पेरेंट्स के साथ बात नहीं कर सकते, मम्मा पापा के साथ, फ्रेंड्स का फ़ोन आए, फ्रेंड्स के साथ इंग्लिश में बात करो. ओके, जिससे कि यू पीपल हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग वोकल पावर. बिकॉज स्टूडेंट, कभी कभी होता है कि लिख तो लेते हैं बच्चे, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्पीकिंग दे आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक, दे आर ब्लैंक. Okay, children, so I want you all to start speaking. Send me messages in the group also. Post something, some 2-3 liners, prepare an essays, prepare a composition, prepare anything. Okay, so that, children, it is for your importance, for your goodwill, children, that you are able to get benefited with that. Okay, my idea is, children, because children, this English speaking in English or English speaking will go throughout your lives. Whatever you become in life, when you will hesitate in speaking in English now, your confidence level will come down. Okay, so children, do read good English newspapers. See, you people are at home now, mostly, so you have all the time of the world. How you are going to invest it, utilize it, mold it, that is up to you. Okay, you are getting bored, take out your English book, start reading it. Children, English is very, very interesting, and most importantly, children, you don't have to learn or mug it up. रट्टाफिकेशन नहीं करनी होती इंग्लिश में. समझ लिया एंड यू आर सेट टू गो फॉर एवर. एक बार जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स अगर दिमाग में आ गए ना बेटा, वो फिर कभी कभी नहीं जाते हैं. Okay, develop reading and comprehension skills. Read the passage carefully and grasp the main theme of the passage. Okay, children, whenever you are getting any composition or any this comprehensions, ट्राई टू सी द आइडिया, बिकॉज स्टूडेंट सब स्टोरी में कुछ ना कुछ तो मोटिव होता है. कोई स्टोरी इंस्पायरिंग होती है, कोई हर्टिंग होती है, कुछ हमें कोई सिखा के जाती है, हर स्टोरी. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो एवरी स्टोरी हैज समथिंग बिहाइंड इट. ओके, every story has something behind it. The idea should be clear. Okay, so that you people are clear with whatever you have. Okay, then third point, children, identify the main points of the passage. Okay, what the passage is trying to say. Okay, what the passage is trying to say, what is the main idea of the passage. Okay, try to attempt the questions in your own words. Okay, whenever you are reading, children, the comprehension, try to mold it, try to mold it, try to give your own words. Okay, try to give your own words so that it does not seem कि आपने उठाया, कॉपी किया और लिख दिया. ऐसा नहीं लगे, ऐसे लगे कि सच में आपने मेहनत करी है. ओके, रियलिटी में आपने एफर्ट्स दिखाए, ये नहीं कि यू जस्ट लुकिंग एट इट एंड जस्ट जॉटिंग डाउन. यू पीपल चिल्ड्रन आर बिग इनफ to give the answers in your own words. That is why children, when I correct your English, this question answers, I tell you children, don't never do this, never cheat from the internet. Okay, try to give your own words. अच्छा नहीं होगा, it's okay, but it is in your own words. That is why children, I am telling you again and again, write in good vocabulary. Make a vocabulary dictionary of your own, make a notebook of your own. Okay, and then children, then pen it down so that that can help you. See, dictionary children is a very very big word. It has a whole world inside it, so learning that, reading that is next to impossible. So I want you all to prepare your own vocabulary diary so that you are benefited ultimately with that. Enhance your vocabulary so as to understand the word attack question. Okay, I'm telling you this children again and again, the words, when to put the correct word so that it attracts your paper. Okay, it attracts the person, the teacher who's correcting your paper. Now section B, writing and grammar. The format plays an important role in scoring marks in the writing section. Letter writing, notice writing, as I told you children, you should be thorough with your formats. Okay, do practice your format once when you have the paper. Okay, do learn your formats thoroughly. Children, body you can write anything, material you can write anything. When you have good words with you, when you can write in your own words, then that is not difficult. That will not be difficult at all. At that time, you just have to be clear with your formats. Plan, organize and present ideas with grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spellings, coherence and relevance. Okay, now children, you have to plan, organize. You have to organize as in कौन सी चीज़ ऊपर आनी चाहिए, कौन सी बीच में, कौन सी end में. The important points must be clarified in the front only, so that a teacher is giving importance to your answer. Your answer is arousing interest. Okay, appropriate good words, intelligent words and spellings. Be careful with your spellings, because mostly children spellings में बच्चों के काफ़ी marks जाते हैं. Okay, web the story on given outlines carefully and do not go out of the track. ये नहीं कि जो पूछा जा रहा है उसके आसपास का आप बता रहे हो और वो जो चीज़ है वो नहीं बता रहे हो. इट इज़ ओके टू एग्जैजरेट द पॉइंट, खींचना ठीक है, बट ये नहीं कि आपका मेन जो प्लॉट है आप उससे ही अलग हो जाओ. ओके, सो आउटलाइनिंग द मेन थिंग्स, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हैव अ क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ हाउ टू राइट लेटर्स, व्हाट टू राइट इन फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड पैराग्राफ. ओके, you have to see the importance. मेन पॉइंट्स फर्स्ट में लिखो, देन ठीक ठीक सेकेंड में, देन थर्ड में भी अच्छे लिखो, so that your teacher is happy. Get into the details of each and grammar topic with rules and exceptions. Children, that is why this last week, complete week, I have given for grammar, its rules and its exceptions. Children, when you will read it 3-4 times or you will go through my video, you will clearly understand. ये rules और exceptions children बहुत बहुत important है. Okay, solve the grammar passages and read them carefully and understanding the meaning. Now children, how will you understand the meaning? When you will know the meaning of each and every word. जब किसी word का मतलब पता होगा तभी तो हम समझ पाएंगे ना कि वो word में लिखा क्या हुआ है. That is why children, I am telling you, prepare a vocabulary for yourself. Start reading good books. Read your literature books, your language books whenever you are free, whenever you are not willing to do anything, just go with English. Do not fill the blanks randomly without comprehending the question's passage. Carefully read words, phrases to write grammatically accurate sentences. Grammatically, children, is कहाँ लगना है, was कहाँ लगना है, tenses must be clear. Okay, so that grammar mistakes ना हो. You should be accurate, मतलब exact सही बात लिखनी है, सही spelling लिखनी है. Okay. Section C, literature. Now, how to process with your literature thing. Prepare each lesson carefully, read word by word, understand and memorize the value point. Children, English में रटना नहीं होता है. Twice or thrice also, if you read a chapter, it will be clear in your heads. Read it, make a notebook, एक page बना लो. Name of the chapter like Bond of Love. What were the important topics? Okay, love between affection, love, happiness between a animal and a person, and the caretaker and the lady. Okay, जो important points है उसको अच्छे से लिखो ताकि वही important points आप अपने question answers में बार बार लिख सको. Do not forget to memorize the names of the chapter and their authors with correct spelling. कोई भी poem आए उसका poet पता होना चाहिए, कोई भी चैप्टर आए उसका ऑथर पता होना चाहिए. ओके, बिकॉज जब ये क्वेश्चन आता है ना और आप ऑथर साथ में रखते हो ना तो टीचर को समझ में आता है दैट इंग्लिश आपने मजाक में हल्के में नहीं लिया. यू हैव प्रैक्टिस्ड इंग्लिश. ओके, यू हैव गिवन फुल टाइम, full devotion and effort to your English subject. Okay, so children, this also make a page, write the poet name, poem's name, chapter's name and author's name. Learn the central idea, theme of the lesson. Central idea as in क्या theme मिली है, उससे हमें क्या शिक्षा मिली है, क्या इंस्पिरेशन मिली है, उसमें क्या होता था, हमें क्या नहीं करना चाहिए या हमें कुछ करना चाहिए. Okay, what does the chapter wants to tell us, wants to convey us, the idea, the message in it. That is known as central theme. कभी भी आ जाए कि central theme बतानी है किसी chapter की, so just go with the gist of the chapter, with the lesson it has taught you. Write answers on the basis of inference, interpretation and comprehension. जो भी आप उस समय interpret करो, इन्फ्रेंस करो. इंटरप्रेट मतलब जो भी आप सोचो, कॉम्प्रहेंड मतलब लिखना, कॉम्प्रहेंड करो, कॉम्प्रहेंशंस करो. आइडेंटिफाई द लाइन्स, वर्ड्स फ्रॉम विच लेसन दे हैव बीन डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम and relate in what sense they have been said and who's the speaker. Sometimes when you get that extract based questions, you get a 4-line extract. I have also practiced with you all in few chapters which I have taught you. Okay, तो 2-3 बार उसको समझो, who has said this, why they have said this, उससे पहले क्या हुआ था, उससे बाद क्या हुआ था. Children, that is why ये आपको कैसे आएगा, जब आप अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करोगे, रीड करोगे. Read the chapter again and again, n number of times I am telling you, because children, these are extract based, they are little tough and tricky. See, summary में तो आप कुछ भी लिखो जो आपके मन में है, but these extract based you have to be careful. किसने बोला, कब बोला, उसके पहले क्या हुआ, बाद क्या हुआ. You have to be thorough with the chapter. Write the answers with grammatical accuracy, appropriate words, correct spelling, coherence. Coherence means फालतू बात नहीं, particular जो है topic. Relevance and good expression, good words, good expression, proper punctuation marks, good writing, good paragraph changing, that is very important. Now general tips. Attempt the question in serial order, जैसे दिया है वैसे ही करना है. Adhere to prescribed word limit. ये नहीं 100 का 150 लिख दो. 100 is okay because that is told. 120 max is all right because children your time is also going. Children, you know, those who are good at English, उनको English paper करने में time लगता है. उनको लगता है थोड़ा time कम था. So that is why children utilize your time accordingly when you give English paper. So utilize your time, okay, so that इधर उधर नहीं देखना है, just pen down, just keep writing. Use a black pen to write formats keywords, okay, जो important words हैं या जो format है वो आप black pen से लिखो. Underline important points, जो important points है, जो important words हैं उसको underline करो. Write the answers in corresponding tense from the question. अगर उसने बोला what was he doing, he was playing, ये नहीं he is playing that time. जिस टेंस में है क्वेश्चन उसी टेंस में आपको आंसर करना है. Take care of neatness and presentation. After every question, put a line. Use black pen, blue pen wherever required. Put margin lines. Leave a line after every answer. Solve previous year's question papers, sample papers, as many as possible. Now children, time is less, okay, so start practicing your back papers, okay, 2018, 19, 17, so that you are thorough कि कैसे पेपर आता है, okay, do practice it. Now time management, this is children, this cannot be verbal, it is depends upon you that how you manage. 20 minutes for each question in section A. Section B, again same thing. Section C, one extract from textbook, extract questions 10 minutes, 5 short answers 30 minutes, long answers 10 minutes. Okay, so children, these were the important points. I hope children this video will be helpful for you and you will keep in your minds whenever you go to give your English papers. Alright, any problem, any doubt, feel free to contact me. Alright children, bye bye, good day. Children, you also do tell me how you people like the video. Start talking to me in English so that it is benefited to you. Okay, bye.